So last class we have done 8.8 and we also played Kahoot, and today, that is 21st Feb, we'll start with lesson 8.9, Right Inequalities. Lesson 8.9, Right Inequalities. Okay, please write the date. Turn to page number 471. Turn to page number 471. Right inequalities. Okay. First question. Here we have first question. The highest temperature ever recorded at the South Pole was 8 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, you know that when I'm talking about South Pole, it has to be very, very cold. Right, an inequality show means the highest was the maximum. When I say maximum, it cannot be more than that. It has to be less than or equal to show the temperature T in degree Fahrenheit at the South Pole is less than or equal to 8 degree F. Okay, so the temperature T cannot be more than, this was the maximum. So this is how I write the equation. The temperature is less than or equal to, they have very well explained you here. See, the temperature is and T less than or equal to 8. So please write down no equations, not inequalities, include equal sign. Why did I write equal sign? Because they gave you it is maximum. Either it will be 8 or it will be less than 8. It cannot be more than 8 because they said this is maximum. It cannot be maximum, means not more than that number. Okay?
Miss, there is no the book in the screen.
Ah, that's what I was asking you. Okay. The highest temperature ever recorded at the South Pole was 8 degrees Fahrenheit. Write an equality to show that the temperature T in degrees Fahrenheit at the South Pole. They have given you here the temperature is less than or equal to. Temperature is T less than or equal to. Why did I say equal to? Because in the question, clearly they gave you less than or equal to, and even if they don't give you this, they tell you the maximum temperature. The highest temperature. That means it cannot be more than that. Either it has to be 8 or equal to 8. So please write it down. That is page number 471. Don't forget to write the date.
I'm done, Miss.
Next. Galia, please can you read this out? The directors of an animal.
The directors of an animal shelter needs to raise more than 50,000 during a fundraiser. Write an inequality that represents the amount of money in the dollars that the direction need to raise.
Okay. So money has to be raised. That means it has to be more than. Money has to be more
Miss, can
than,
you
because
go
they
up
have
just
to
1 minute?
raise. Huh?
Can you go up just 1 second?
Okay. Okay, Vateen?
Yeah, Miss.
So clearly they gave you here that they need to raise. When I say raise, it has to be more than. They gave you more than. So M is the money. Raise, that is more than, is more than. It cannot be equal to. It has to be more than $50,000. Okay, so this is your answer. That's what they said. The phrase is more than. That is greater than. More than means greater. All right. This is not in the book. I will just discuss it. If you want, you can take a picture. The distance D, Mr. Chandru, was no more than. Not more than means less than or equal to. If it is more than, it has to be greater than. No more than 65. The age of Mia's sister is less than 8. Simple A is less than 8. The amount of juice is more than 3 cups. C greater than 3. Very simple. Any questions you have? Leen, Gali, or Malak, or any question you have here?
No, Miss.
Malak, you just joined. Did you understand what I'm doing? The temperature T was at least. At least means it has to be at least greater than 30. It has to be at least 30. If it's 34 also, it's okay.
Yeah.
If it is n greater, I'll write n is greater than or equal to 23. N is at least 23. P is greater than 16 or P is more than 16. This you don't have to write down. Just take a picture. That's enough. It might help you in the test, girls. Even this here. Take a picture. You can practice all this at home. Did you take a picture?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Write an inequality for the sentence. Tell what type of numbers the variable in the inequality
Miss,
can
I
be.
didn't take a picture of it.
All right. Which page, Ghalia? This one?
The one before this.
This
Yeah.
one? Which one you're talking?
Yeah. The one before, the one you said to take a picture of.
See on the screen?
Yeah.
Take it. But practice them. Just don't keep it as a
Okay.
picture in the mobile or in your iPad. Practice them.
Okay.
These are very important concepts of math, girls. Please solve each of them. And whatever you don't understand, again, just mark and give me, message me on WhatsApp. I'll explain you how did that come. The weight is less than. So W is simple. Less than means I have to put this sign. Any question?
Yeah, Miss.
Simple one.
No.
Very simple lesson. There might be at least. At least means I need more than 65 people. At least 65 must be there.
Let's go 8 just 1 minute because
This
something I'm not sure on it.
this word must be at least. That means 1 minute. It has to be greater than 1 minute. Yes, what you were saying, Vatin?
I want to to be sure from something. Go to 8 just 1 minute.
Where should I go? Which page?
Yes, Miss. I was not sure from A.
Huh?
I was not sure from A, but now
Okay.
خلاص.
Now, khalas, B. All right. So, when you see this word, at least, you have to put the sign of greater than. I see, like example, because I want to explain everything with the chocolates. If I say that Ghalia must have at least 5 chocolates. So at least 5 means she cannot have less than 5. She has to have 5 or more than 5. Either 5 or 7 or 8. She cannot have 4. That's why I write C, greater chocolate must be either greater than 5 or equal to 5. Similarly, at least, this at least means always greater than or equal to. So police officers, I'll write P, greater than or equal to 65. P is a whole number. Done?
Yeah. Yeah.
Write 2-word sentences. N less than equal to, first of all says, I'll write N is less than. How will you read this? Balak, do you know how to read this? If I write N, you'll say N is less than or equal to 0.3. Next, you write N is no more than. N is no more than 0.3. A is greater than. Girls, there is no equal. You cannot write at least, at least. At least means there has to be equal. This is A is greater than -4. A is more than -4. That's it. If it is equal, you'll write A is at least. This word will come. Done?
Yeah, miss.
Yeah.
All right. Let us go to share and show, and then it's your part. Okay, let me ask you. Starting with Ghalia. Ghalia, the first is the elevation E is greater than or equal to 15 meters. Okay, the elevation E is greater than. So what should I put the sign? I'll write,
Um,
and then open or
on
close?
E.
Yes, and then what's they wrote here? Elevation E is greater than or equal to 15 meters.
Um, yeah, it's greater than. It's
So
greater than it.
how is greater than? Open mouth or closed mouth?
Open.
Open mouth, yeah, open. And I'll just write E greater than 15. What did they ask you here in the question? Read the question again.
The elevation E is greater than or equal to 15
So
or
is this
equal to
correct?
15 meters.
Is this correct?
Yeah.
What is missing here? Watin, what is missing here? Or Malak? Malak,
Yeah.
read this. The elevation E is greater than or equal to 15 meters. Shagalia told me this is the answer. Is this correct or there is something missing?
The elevation E is greater than the equal to 15 meters.
Hmm.
Um,
Is this correct?
Yes.
There is something missing here. I want you to say
Yeah,
it.
the equal.
Very good. This sign. Did you understand, Galia?
Yeah.
Greater or equal also must be there.
Okay.
A passenger A must be more than 4 years. Yes, Fatin. The passenger age A must be more than 4 years. What should I put? Fatin,
Yeah, miss.
tell me. A passenger A, I write A, must be more than 4 years.
The amount is going to be at 8 and 4.
Is this correct?
No equal. No
There is
years.
no equal. There is no equal. Correct. This one is correct. Then cannot be any equal. They did not write A is more than or equal to, but they did not write at least.
Okay, miss. When I know that when I put equal
See, they gave you here. Read here. Elevation is greater than or equal to. They gave you the question. Or in the question, you'll find the word at least. Now, write a word for a sentence for the B and R. B is less than half. M is at least 55. See? Greater than equal to means at least. Come on, girls, finish this.
I'm done, miss.
What is the difference between this? T, if I want to read this, how will I read this? If I said it is T is not
More than 4.
more than 4 and T is less than 4. Here you will write T is no more than 4 and here you will write T is less than 4. This is the difference. Complete 5 and 6. Are greater than 10. Did you finish writing?
No, miss.
I'm done, miss.
Hello, yes, finished?
Yeah.
Come on.
Done, miss.
All right, now see the One by one. Come on, first, Malak, see it. I know
Okay,
the answers are here, but can you explain? See, R greater than 10. That means, just say me in your words. Don't read this. Just say me in your words how to read it. R greater than 10 means R is more than,
R is greater than 10.
yes, or R is more than. Next, S less than or equal to 10. Either I will read S less than or equal to 10, or I will read S is no more than, no more than. Girls, you need to remember, if you want, we'll just make a cloud and so that you can write down here your textbook so that you remember. If you see, this is no more than. If you see this, that means at least. And simple, this you know that more than, and this you know that less than.
And then
S is less than or equal to 10. That means no more than 10 people can be seated at the table. I told you, if it is less or equal to, that means no more than. This one, let's say you at least 10 people. Directly put this sign. Fewer than 10 children, less than 10 children are at the party. Any questions?
no, thank you.
By this, I have finished my lesson. Take care and have a great day. See you in the science class. Questions?
Nothing else.
Lean, did you understand?